Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you a few Tuesday morning finds. I found a few goodies I want to share with you. So let's jump right on in. First thing I found was this super cute plastic plate. It says, "I ate my willpower," and she has this cupcake that's an empty cupcake wrapper in her hand, and then all these cupcakes right here. And I just thought this was super cute, and it was only $1.99. So I picked this up for a friend who's celebrating a birthday. Thought that was really cute. I did find this Starburst nesting die set. It looks like that. And there's the SKU in case you want to find it. I did pick this one up. This one was on clearance, and I've seen this little critter. He is a raccoon, and he was 40% off, so I'm going to play with this one. I was able to find this die right here, and this is nothing new. It's been in Hobby Lobby and I think in Michael's, but I ran across it in the store, so I went ahead and picked this one up because I did not have it. I did find this stamp set right here. It is American Crafts, and it's a Bible journaling stamp set. It was only 99 cents, so I thought this was a really great find. I did find this Bow Bunny stamp set, and this is an Easter set, and it's really cute. It has all these Easter eggs and the bunny ears and some grass and a little bow and even some bunny glasses. So this should be fun to play with. And there is the SKU in case you want to find it. And then I did find this one as well, and this is crowns, different crowns, and I thought this would be fun to play with. So you see there's different sizes, and that was $2.99. And then I did run across this paper, which is really, really pretty, by American Crafts, and I figured this would be perfect for spring projects, and I've already cut into it, and I have been playing with it, as you can see. But I just love the colors in this, and it was only $5.99. And then I did find this Simple Stories paper pad, and it is 12 by 12. It's called Love and Adore, and I'll do a quick flip through for you. But it's really cute paper, you guys. I really love this pad. I've seen it at Hobby Lobby, but I wasn't able to pick it up. I was trying to find it on clearance and never found it. But found it at Tuesday morning, and it's just a really fun set. I just love all the bright colors and the different prints that it has in here. So looking forward to playing with this one. And then the last thing I wanted to share with you guys is this die right here. I found another contour die for spellbinders, and it's this super cute gable box. There is the SKU number right there. See if you can see that. It's called Party Box Die, and it's super huge, you guys. I want to show you what it looks like cut out. I've already cut it out so you can see what it looks like, but look how big this box is. It's absolutely huge. It measures 3 by 4 3/4, I believe. That's what I measured. And so I went ahead and just decorated the front using that Believe die. I did use the Echo Park die for the unicorn, and then I had a cloud die in my stash. And I just added some bling, and I think it came out so super cute. It is all shimmered up with a sparkle pen, and I think it's so cute, and I just can't believe how big it is. It's huge. You can put so many goodies in here. And then there is that Starburst die. I just made a quick little shaker to add to the little box, but that's what that die looks like. It's really, really cute, and I think this would be fun for like birthday cards as well. So I just added it to this treat box, but I think it's absolutely adorable. And again, I just can't believe the size of this is huge. So if you find this and you have a Spellbinders Platinum die cut machine, I would definitely recommend this gable box die. I especially love the scallops on the very top. Super, super cute. And then I had been playing with the paper. I just wanted to share with you these super cute little bunnies that I have been making. I did order this die right here, and this is a cat scrappiness die, and it's a big bunny and a small bunny. And this is what the little small bunnies look like. Look how super cute they are. I added some really tiny bows that I've had in my stash. So I just wanted to share with you what that paper looks like cut out. I've already started playing with the paper. And then I also made these super cute pinwheels. Really, really cute. And again, just using that paper that I found at Tuesday morning. So I'm going to be sharing with you some spring projects using these embellishments very soon. And then here I have a little bunny rabbit that I cut out using that same paper. Isn't he adorable? Or maybe it's a she, I don't know. But super, super cute, right? And this is the larger bunny right here, in case you're wondering. It looks like that. I just added one of those bows that I picked up of Allie, and then a little piece of trim that I had that looked like a little bunny tail. And I love the size of it. It's super cute. So that is my quick share with you for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.